This is what is happening right now in Florida. The weather just changed to crap, and the wind is blowing, and there is just blanket rain. Everything. This is the rain. This is what I'm looking at now, right now as we speak. Take a look. Crazy hurricane weather. There's a hurricane close by, so this is what we get now. This is a lizard is trying to find a hiding spot from the wind because we're having strong winds. The weather has changed. This is what it looks like. A drizzle coming through here and there, but the lizard is just trying to find a safe shelter. It looks like we're having autobahns from the wind. So every now and then we'll have like a good gust of wind, like 20-mile-an-hour wind. So everything is trying to find shelter, including the iguana. This is the sky. It's changing, getting darker by the minute. From this to this. And that's the wind. And the wind comes through. I'm outside right now. I'm just standing out by the back door. I don't know if you can see how fast the clouds are moving. Today's August 30th, 2023. We're getting some autobahns from a hurricane that's hitting North Florida right now. That's our skies. You might be able to see the clouds moving fast. Every now and then we get like a good breeze of wind, like now. Here's a gust of wind. That's the tree right next to the house. Here we go, another one. This is the cloud. These are the clouds that are rolling in as fast as they can. And that's a gust of wind. I'm standing outside. Oh, here comes the rain. Can you see this? Can you hear the wind? Yep. Everything is moving. Oh my God, this is a lot of wind. Okay. Oh, here comes the thunder. It's time to go inside. This is the sky. I'm heading inside. The wind is getting stronger. Woo! This is the wind. Oh. This is the wind. Oh my. Woo! I keep saying I'm going inside, but I haven't gone inside yet. Take a look at the trees. The big old trees. Getting darker by the minute. Woo! Here's the palm tree. Okay, I'm going inside. Whoa! I'm inside. I'm inside now. Yep, I'm inside showing you the curtain already ripped. This little thing we have outside just ripped up. The rain coming now. I'm now inside watching the rain and the wind do its thing. So right now we have in an outer band passing our way. So this is what I'm showing you. This is what it looks like outside now. But I'm safe. We're doing good. It's just that we expect some outer bands, so that's what it is right now. It comes and goes.